your travel now.
This is TV18. And you're watching CNBC TV18.
Presented by National Stock Exchange.
Hello and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. You're with me, Pig Brain, on CNBC TV 18, and you're watching Financial Quest, an all-new initiative brought to you by the National Stock Exchange for school kids across the length and breadth of this nation. Let's get started here today and get to know our 10 teams at the Jaipur Regional Final. We've done Raipur, we've done Kochi, we've done Ahmedabad. Who's going to go in from Jaipur into the national semi-finals? Joining us here today as our first finalist, BVB Vidyashram. Representing them are Arinjit and Anirudh. Welcome to the final.
Thank you, sir.
Neighboring them as our second finalist here today are Jitendra and Tushar, and they represent the Sabu School from Jaipur. Across as our third finalist here today, we have Nirja Modi School. Representing them, Harsh and Madhur.
Hello.
Welcome to you guys.
Thank you.
As we move across to our first all-girls team here today, representing them, Mayansha and Sanagul, Sanjay Public School. Across to two other girls from MGD Girls School, welcome to Shaurya and Faiza. Representing St. Anselm's Senior Secondary School, we have with us here today, Ayush and Vatsal. Moving across from them to Subodh Public School, we have with us Manan and Manaswi. As we move across to Ryan International School from Jaipur, representing them here today, Pavit and Aman.
Hello. Hello.
Welcome to you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Right next to me here today as our 8th finalist or 9th team are Saraswati Sishu Niketan, and representing them are Masoom and Aruni.
Thank you. Thank you.
Across, last but not the least, our host school here today at Jaipur, as we come to you from the Tagore International School, representing them are Nitin and Hemant.
Thank you.
Welcome to the two of you as well.
Thank you, sir.
From here, it's battle on at Financial Quest. We pick action. The first frontier of this battle here today. It's time to cross over. What we're going to play here is a crossword puzzle. We'll open the first one for the benefit of the teams here today. Team number 1, BVB Vidyashram. You've got Britain, which is opened up on the grid for you. Take your pick.
3.
Your clue on 3 down. Public sale of a property or real estate sold to the highest solicitor. Go ahead.
Auction.
Clever. Put your hands together for them. To our second team, Sabu School. What do you want to play?
We'll go for 8.
You want to go for 8. I am something usually declared by the company's board of directors, given to shareholders from the company's current earnings. What am I? 5 seconds of time. Sabu School. Moving across, Nirja Modi. Across to the
Debenture.
Debenture. It's not 8 letters. Across to the girls from Sanjay Public. Moving across to the girls from MGD. Wanting to pass. Across on my near left. Anselm's.
Brokers.
Subodh Public.
Dividend.
A company issues a dividend from its earnings to its shareholders. Lovely answer. Put your hands together for them. That's a good one. Nirja Modi, take your pick.
11.
11 down, 4 letters. Clue for you. I am a document which designates the assets of a person, both financial and physical, to family members and others. 5 seconds. Moving across to the girls. What am I? Something so important in any country. Passing you.
Will.
A will. Put your hands together. Very, very cleverly thought through. And we move across to the girls from Sanjay Public, who will take their pick. What do you want to play with? Will open there.
1.
1. 1 down is what you want to choose. It is a promise of repayment of specific losses in exchange for a periodic payment, normally known as a premium. 5 seconds of time. Passing you.
Insurance.
Lovely. Put your hands together for these girls here. MGD are looking good. Young team from MGD girls making a good early start. Take your pick.
4 Dawn.
I am a fee that an investor would pay a broker for buying and selling shares.
Capital.
Passing you on capital. Across, CAPI wouldn't fit as well. Across, on my left, the Anselm boys. Moving across, Saraswati Sishu Niketan.
Commission.
A commission. A commission is what you pay a person for buying and selling. Put your hands together for him. That fits in there. St. Anselm's, what do you want to play?
9th.
9 is what you want to play, which is a 3-letter answer. It's a bond selling at a price that is worth an amount equivalent to its original issued value. What is the term to describe this? St. Anselm's. Simple 3-letter word. Moving across, Subodh. Go on. No clue. Across. Ryan. Passing to Saraswati Sishu Niketan. They pass as well. Tagore International.
MRP.
Moving across, Sabu School.
Bet.
Bet. Nothing to do with bets. Across to Nirja Modi.
IPO.
No, not an IPO. That's a initial public offering. Across to the girls. Sanjay Public. Simple English word. Go on. Yep. No. Across. MGD. The answer that is elusive here today for the teams is a simple 3-letter word. Par. We all say at par or at an equal value. We move across from our teams on this side to Subodh Public School. What's your choice?
We'll choose 5.
You choose 5, starting with the letter M. Your clue. It's a loan that is used towards purchase of a home or a property after pledging something.
Mediclaim.
That's a wild shot. Ryan International. Passing you, Saraswati Sishu Niketan.
Mortgage.
Mortgage. Put your hands together. Both in chorus. Mortgage will give them 10 points. Question to you. Take your pick. Ryan International School.
2 across.
2 across. Starting with a C right on top. An individual who buys goods for personal use is called what?
Consumer.
Put your hands together. That's a good one. Well thought out, well worked out. Took them a while to probably get into the groove of this game. Ryan International getting their 10 points. Good one. Saraswati Sishu Niketan, take your pick.
10.
Your clue on 10 across. This is an expense that cannot be attributed to any single part of the company's activities. What type of expenses is this called? Very workable answer. Go ahead. Saraswati Sishu Niketan. 5 seconds. Passing you. Tagore International. Not trying. Across on my right, BVB Vidyashram. Dash expense. Sabu School. Starting with a O and ending with a D. Across. Nirja Modi. Go on.
Operated.
Operated. He's good on crosswords, but it's not the right answer. Across. To the girls.
Overround.
Overround. They're all trying to fit the word in somewhere. No. Yes.
Overload.
Overload expenses. On my left. Across to Subodh Public. No.
Overhead.
Overhead. When you can't fit it into any head of expense, it's above that. So it's an overhead expense. Put your hands together. Very well thought out. As we move across to our final team, which will take their pick in this round, take your pick, Tagore International.
7.
7 is what they choose as a down, and your term on 7 down. It's a term that is used by firms more than individuals for something that they charge an investor who's buying and selling instructions they execute. Passing you, Tagore. On my right to BVB Vidyashram.
Brokerage.
Clever. Put your hands together for them. At this point in time, we need to take a very quick break. On the other side, all the action from the Rajasthan final. Stay with us.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
This is coal and this is water. Good. Now let's take lots of coal and a little water. They generate X amount of power. But because so much coal was used, the earth... Let's change things around. This is coal and this is water. Okay, now let's knock off some coal and add some water. Ah, that's a good mix. They generate the same amount of power as before. But guess what? Because we make more hydropower, which is greener, the earth stays beautiful. This is just one of the many ways in which we create power for a happy planet. Jaiprakash Power Ventures Limited, the power to do good.
Can a bank really stand for something? Can it balance its ambition with its conscience? As not everything in life that counts can be counted. In the many places we call home, our purpose remains the same. To be here for people, here for progress, here for the long run, here for good.
वक्त आ गया है मिल के दुनिया को बदलने का जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो दुनिया को जब सजाना हो नेरोलैक पेश करते हैं हेल्दी होम पेंट्स दुनिया में आओ रंगीन घर को सजाओ नेरोलैक कुछ चेंज करें चलो पेंट करें
As original as you. As exclusive as your journey. An experience you can't define. It's all you need for a rich life. Forbes Life India. SMS Life to 51818.